Get ready, 5 seconds, start. This appeal is a sequel to an unfortunate occurrence dated January 25, 1993, wherein Kulwant Singh, advocate practicing at the district courts Ropar, his wife and a child aged about 2 years were alleged to have been abducted and murdered. Stop. The lawyer fraternity in general and the advocates practicing at the High Court and the district courts in the states of Punjab, Haryana, and the Union Territory of Chandigarh were not satisfied with the police investigation. Stop. The Punjab and Haryana High Court Bar Association demanded a judicial inquiry into the occurrence by a sitting judge of the High Court or a district judge or a vigilance judge belonging to the higher judiciary. Stop. Their demand having not been acceded to by the state government, the Bar Association went on indefinite strike with effect from February 6, 1993. Stop. Later on, the district bar associations in the states of Punjab, Haryana, and Union Territory of Chandigarh also went on strike, thereby stopping and functioning of the courts throughout the jurisdiction of the Punjab and Haryana High Court. Stop. An action committee formed by the Bar Association held an inquiry into the matter and submitted its report on February 14, 1993. Stop. The report is reproduced here in report of the killing of Mr. Kulwant Singh, advocate, his wife and 2 year old son. Bar Association of Punjab and Haryana High Court formed an action committee for the release of Mr. Kulwant Singh, advocate, his wife, and 2 year old son, who were alleged to have been abducted detained by the Ropar police on January 25, 1993. Stop. Para. I verified that the accused Harpreet Singh alias Lucky, son of Gurmeet Singh Saini, resident of Bahadurpur district, Roopnagar, has made above confessional statement in May presence which he was made with free will. Stop. Whatever Harpreet Singh stated, only that has been recorded. Stop. Para. 1. Suresh Kumar, son of Sri Som Prakash, resident of Ambala, Haryana, filed civil writ petition number 2376 of 1993 before the Punjab and Haryana High Court in public interest. Stop. The law points and the prayers in the said writ petition were as under. Stop. Para. On March 3, 1993, a division bench of the High Court issued notice of motion returnable on March 12, 1993. Stop. The High Court also issued notice to the Bar Association of the High Court of Punjab and Haryana through its president and to the Bar Council of Punjab and Haryana through its chairman. Stop. Both the associations were directed to be impleaded as parties to the writ petition. Stop. On March 16, 1993, the division bench of the High Court passed the following order. Stop. Para. The writ petition was finally heard by a five-judge bench of the High Court and was dismissed as withdrawn by a speaking order dated March 1993 stop. Mr. G. S. Grewal, Senior Advocate, appearing for the Punjab and Haryana High Court Bar Association. Mr. H. S. Hooda, Senior Advocate, appearing for the Bar Council, and Mr. S. C. Mohanta, Senior Advocate, appearing for various other bar associations, vehemently contended before the five-judge bench of the High Court that the writ petition was in the nature of a public interest litigation and the same could not be allowed to be withdrawn. Stop. It was further argued that since the lawyers in the states of Punjab, Haryana, and the Union Territory of Chandigarh were on strike for more than 6 weeks and were demanding an independent inquiry into the mysterious and tragic death of Kulwant Singh, advocate, and his family, it would be in the interest of justice to finally adjudicate on the points raised in the writ petition. Stop. The bench, however, rejected the contention and dismissed the writ petition as withdrawn on the following reasoning. Stop. Thank you.